Right, I think I'm sorted there for the wwff. I've got the mobile 4G modem, the Go box, that's a 27 amp hour battery, 3 parallel ones, the login program that I was recommended by Bill, the radio and tuner, obviously the phone for hotspot, but I do have the hotspot using turn that down, using qrz.com. I can use any program I want. That's just really for looking up people and spotting. Nice little spotting program actually, that one. Not that you should spot yourself, like, but a lot of people do it anyway when they're struggling. But that's the setup so far. Modem, that's the SDR. Let's have a look at that. That's the SDR for and it's also linked to the computer, so I've got cat control, though I'll probably not use it when I'm mobile because it's more of a hunting software than an activation. But I've got the modem, I've got the SDR there, the laptop for logging, I've got the radio and the tuner, I've got the phone for the hotspot, and I've got a backup hotspot because obviously the modem's a hotspot, and I've got this for also internet as well. It's 4G enabled. So I think that's about it. I've got antennas. The antenna I'll be using is actually this one here, a loading coil with a tap, an old CB antenna tuned for 5 meters. 20 meters. That's that one. Just a couple of radials gives you 20 meters, and then the induction coil gives us 10 and 80 with an extra couple of counterpoises. Really good antenna that. That's about it. So hopefully I think I've got everything covered.